Hi there. Let's try and answer the following question. The question reads, determine the value of x in the following sketch. Okay, so by now you should know we've got a triangle that's proportional. So we need to find the value for x. So what we can use is the basics and say AB over BD should give us AC over CE proportionally. We got A B over BD is equal. Wait, let me actually just write this in a different space. I'm gonna write down top here. So we got A B over BD equals to A B over BE. Okay, now we've got AB, which is equals to x plus 5 over, and BD is actually equals to, we haven't been given anything about BD, so we need to find out what BD is. Now we've been given AD and we've been given AB. Okay, so what you need to do here is take the longer length and subtract the smaller length for you to get BD. Okay, so let's try and do that now. So we continue, going to say B is equals to got AD minus AB. Okay, I'm going to explain this again. So we're going to take the full length and subtract it by this given length for us to find this here, which is BD. Okay, so that's what we're doing. All right, let me go back again. So we're taking BD and we were saying it's equals to the full length of AD minus or subtracting AB. We've got AD, which is equals to x plus 11. And then we've got AB, so I must subtract that, which is equals to x minus 5. Then we're going to distribute this negative to our right. So it's supposed to be a plus. We're going to have x plus 11 minus x minus 5. Our x's are going to cancel. By 11 minus 5, which gives us 6. So therefore BD is equals to 6. Okay. Once we get that part, we can now erase everything. We got BD is equals to 6. Alright, here. So then we're going to put 6 under BD. We continue with our proportional statement. At AC is equals to 5x minus 3 over CE, which is equals to 3x. Now the next step for us is to take the denominators and multiply them by the other side of the numerator. So we get 6 times this over here, and we take 3x, multiply that over there. Right. We're going to say x plus 5, multiply all that by 3x. And we're going to say x minus, so 5x minus 3 multiplied by 6. So I'm just going to put the 6 there. Sorry about that, I'm running out of space. So then we're going to have 3x squared plus 15x. And on this side, we're going to have 30x minus 18. Okay, now we're going to bring everything to one side. We're going to have, let me just get a bit more space here. We're going to have 3x squared plus 15x minus 30x plus 18x, sorry, plus 18, which we say is equals to 0. Okay, now simplifying this, we're going to have 3x squared minus 15x plus 18 is equals to 0. Yeah, then the next step for you to find out is basically to factorize. When you're factorizing this, you want to remove, or rather not remove, you want to divide everything by a common factor, which in this case is 3. Divide everything by 3, you're going to get x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now to factorize this, you're going to find values that will give you 6 if you multiply them, but if you subtract or add them, they'll give you 5. So I'm going to do a calculation here. So if I got 6 now divided by 1, I'm going to get 6. If I add 1 and 6, do I get 5? Yes, but can I get a negative 5? Yes, as well. Plus or minus. But will I get 8? Okay, so actually, we could actually just also say 2 divided by 6 gives us 3. Plus or minus, that will also give us 5. I'm going to choose this one there. Okay. I'm going to use 2 and 3 to factorize that. I'm going to open 2 brackets. I'm going to say x, x, I have 3 and 3 and 2, sorry. So this is negative and negative is equal to 0. So therefore, this x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. This is how we would solve for x with this equation. If you're struggling to still factorize this trinomial, sorry, this trinomial here, please do contact me via WhatsApp and we can actually chat about how I got it. Okay, cool. So that's how you answer this question.